Hi guys, Kalita here, and I did this training a little while ago, and this website is a gold mine, along with another website that I'm going to shoot for all my pro members to show them how they can start getting tons of leads, right? But I want you guys to start using this website, especially with your graph search, and I'm just going to show you from the beginning. It is npros.com, npros, I guess, .com. You type that in, and what I want you to do is, over here it's going to tell you, a bunch of different things. What I usually look for is the home-based opportunities, right? And it's going to list them in alphabetical order, and you have tons, maybe even like thousands, definitely hundreds. And what you can do is you can just choose any of these names right here and utilize that to really kill it on Facebook, get really targeted on Facebook, because the training video that you saw is telling you to type in friends of friends who are internet marketers or something like that. But then if everybody's doing the same thing, then everybody's messaging the same people. But if you can get really, really targeted with this stuff, it's going to be amazing. So let me just show you what I'll just randomly pick one of these companies, and we're going to run from there. So I'm not going to choose one that is really um, one that is, what did I want to say? One that's popular. I'm going to choose one that a lot of people may not know about. And I like to find out what it's about too. Because if you can find out what the company is about, then you see if they are more suited to you targeting them. Because some companies won't be your ideal customer. There are some companies that are really into, let's say, fitness or something, and they just aren't going to switch over to an internet marketing sort of company. So, Pure Romance, it markets relationship and intimacy, home parties. You know what? These people hardly ever make a lot of money if they're new and they don't know what they're doing. So let's try this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type into my search, my Open Graph search, friends of friends, can't spell, who work at Pure Romance. And then I'm just going to okay, oh no, at Pure Romance. Who work at Pure Romance, enter, and you should come up with tons of people that you can target, right? And when you scroll down, you can pick and choose who you send a message to, because not everyone is going to be your ideal target. Like, I target a lot of parents, a lot of single parents, a lot of single moms, right? Because I can relate to them. A lot of people can't relate to everyone who has the same thing going on. For instance, I can literally relate to a single mom who doesn't have any money, who wants to do better for her children, who wants to do better for her, and so I can help her out, let her know what I did or whatever. So you have to hone in on who your target market is, and it took me a few months for me to really pinpoint who I wanted to target. It can be difficult, but an easy way for you to think about it is to think about who do you identify with, right? So I'm going to hop on over to the people that I'm currently messaging right now, and let's just message her. And I'm going to show you something like what I say, just so you get an idea. And do not copy my message, because when people get the same exact message, it looks copy and pasted, and it's not going to convert as well as if you sat down and thought about what it is that you are going to send to this individual person. And you always want to say, use their name, because people love their name. I've had people respond to me after weeks of sending them a message, right? So I mean, because you don't get immediate results doesn't mean you won't get results at all. So one of the things I like to do is I like to tell them why they should connect with you, right? You want to give them a reason for doing what they're going to do, and then you tell them what you want them to do, because people will do what you ask them if you give them a reason, if you give them a command, right? And then I'm just going to send this, and you see I copied and pasted because I'm not going to sit here and write this out for every single person, and I'm just going to paste it in my trusty notepad of the day. I have a notepad every single day that's filled with different things that I want to remember to do. I have like 100 tabs open at the top, you know, internet marketer's life. But you really see how simple it is to plug in to this. Now, another website I'm going to share with you is MLMrankings.com, and some people might know this. If you've been around for a while, you might know these websites, and this is another one that I also use. And you can search from the top companies to the top gainers to all the MLMs. They have different ways of breaking it down. And this is just another cool way for you to really get targeted with the people who you are trying to connect with, right? So that's it, really. If you have any questions about this, when I post it in the group, just put your questions below the post that I make, and I will answer them as soon as possible. As you can see, my Facebook is going crazy, so I'm about to hop back on over there. And guys, I will just see you on the next video, okay?